What is up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix voicemail notification not working in Realme C75x. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on sounds and vibration. Now click on do not disturb. After click on do not disturb, then here you can check your do not disturb. If you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your do not disturb, then go back and click on notification. Now here you can allow your notification. Scroll down and click on an app, and then here you can allow your notification. After allow your notification, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on reset all settings. Now here enter your password to reset all your settings. Reset all your settings. It will never destroy on other data like photos, videos and other data. It will only reset your settings. After reset your all settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.